Hello, it's Luke from Islington Sales. Today we have a 2024 74 plate Suzuki Swift Ultra. This vehicle has the 1.2 mild hybrid petrol engine in a manual transmission. Has only covered 5,870 miles since new, with just 2 previous registered owners. A couple of notable pieces of specification are rear parking sensors and camera, access to wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as heated front seats. If you do have any more questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle here at Islington, then please give us a call on 01225 753 103 and we'll be happy to help.